Think you need big money to build big muscle? I used to think that too. But you can eat like a bodybuilder, crush your macros and still keep your wallet fat, all for just 10 bucks a day. Let's break down a high-protein, muscle-building meal plan that works even if you're broke or just want to save more for your next gym membership. First up, the grocery haul. Here's exactly what I grabbed: chicken thighs, eggs, oats, rice, frozen mixed veggies, low-fat cottage cheese, peanut butter and bananas. All basic, all cheap, and each one packs a punch for gains. The secret? Keep it simple and buy in bulk when you can. Meal 1, breakfast. You can't go wrong with a classic 1 cup of oats, 2 eggs plus 2 egg whites, and a banana. That's protein to start muscle repair, carbs to fuel your morning lifts, and healthy fats to keep you full. All for under $2. Trust me, your muscles and your wallet will thank you. Now, lunch. I go for a budget bowl. 6 ounces of chicken thighs, 1 cup of cooked rice, a cup of frozen veggies, and a drizzle of soy sauce for flavor. It's lean, it's filling, and it keeps the gains coming. You don't need expensive cuts. Chicken thighs give you all the protein you need without breaking the bank. Need a snack that actually does something for your body? Grab a cup of low-fat cottage cheese, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and another banana. That's over 25 grams of protein, plus enough carbs and fats to keep your energy high. And yes, still under $2. Forget overpriced protein bars, this does the job way better. Dinner is easy. Honestly, I just repeat lunch. 6 ounces of chicken, a cup of rice, and more veggies. Bodybuilding isn't about fancy food, it's about hitting your numbers, day in, day out. Plus, meal prepping the same stuff saves you both time and money. Quick tips: buy in bulk whenever possible. Trust me, the savings add up fast. Go for store brands, not the expensive stuff. Don't be afraid to use spices. They make even the most basic meals taste amazing. And frozen veggies? Total lifesaver. Cheap, nutritious, and ready anytime. So don't let your wallet hold back your gains. Like, subscribe and stick around. I'll show you how to meal prep and eat like a beast. All on a budget. Build muscle, not debt. Catch you in the next one.